beautiful video and many new pictures have been shared on social media by Yağmur Yüksel. Today, Yağmur has shared a lot of Valentine gifts and there were chocolates, beautiful jewelry, beautiful pictures of Yağmur with a beautiful cake and a very beautiful decoration piece with the beautiful bucket of flowers. These all are very pretty and beautiful things. Our fans specially came to meet Yağmur and has given her a beautiful Valentine gift. Baris was also happy that Yağmur has received a beautiful Valentine gift and it was a very beautiful gift indeed, full of love and emotions by the fans.